Linksys Wrt54g2 Wireless Router. Step 1. Unbox and place the router. Unbox the Wrt54g2 and position it in a central location for optimal Wi-Fi coverage, away from walls or obstructions. Step 2. Connect the router to power. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to an electrical outlet. Wait until the power LED is steady. Step 3. Connect the router to your modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the router's Internet WAN port. Ensure the connection is secure. Step 4. Connect a device to the router. Use another Ethernet cable to connect your computer to one of the router's LAN ports. Alternatively, connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network, SSID printed on the label. Step 5. Log into the admin panel, open a web browser and enter the default IP address, 192.168.1.1, in the address bar. Username, leave blank, password, admin. Step 6. Run the Setup Wizard. Access the Setup tab in the admin panel and follow the on-screen instructions to configure your internet connection type. Step 7. Configure wireless settings. Navigate to Wireless, Basic Wireless Settings and set a unique SSID, Wi-Fi name. Step 8. Secure your Wi-Fi. Go to Wireless Security and select WPA2 Personal as the security mode. Set a strong password for your Wi-Fi network. Step 9. Save and reboot the router. Click Save Settings to apply your configurations. Reboot the router to ensure all settings are active. Step 10. Test your connection. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from your computer and connect to the router wirelessly using the new SSID and password. Test your internet connection to ensure it's working. Thanks for watching.